Hi guys, welcome to Pakuppaivu channel. In first week of July, we have posted a video on Gantt chart. In that video, we have explained you about what is a Gantt chart, its uses in project management, and how to create a dynamic Gantt chart using Excel. We have shown you how to create a dynamic Gantt chart with the use of if formula and conditional formatting. But later on, we understood that some people, we don't want to get into these kind of activities like using formulas and conditional formatting. They want ready-made templates. Now, in this video, we will show you how to get those templates in Excel. Before going ahead, I request you to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends also so that they will also know this method. Now we will move on to Excel. This is a blank Excel file. So here I'll show you where you can get this templates, which is already Excel has built for you. Go to File, go to New. You can see here there is an option to search templates. With that option, you can able to search whatever the templates you want. Right now, I am looking for Gantt chart template. Once click, you can see I'm getting around 6 templates. There is a Gantt chart project planner, Agile Gantt chart, date tracker Gantt chart. So this is a dark and normal white mode. This is Gantt project chart, simple Gantt chart. So 6 different Gantt chart we are getting. Now we will see one by one in this video. See, this is a project planner. This is the first template. Here they have given the list of activities and plan duration, actual start, actual duration, everything has been mentioned over here. So here are different periods because there may be cases that this period can be in weeks, this period can be in days, or it can be in hours, whatever the periods you want to do. So this is the percentage of completion. Based on that, if I'm changing this, automatically the bar dynamically changes. So if I'm making this to 5, immediately it shift to cell 5. So this is the first project plan template. Now we will move on to the next template. Now this is a Agile Gantt chart template. They have explained about this Gantt chart in a separate sheet. Then they have different mode themes. They have light theme. This is like you can able to edit the task, whatever you want to name it, whatever the goal. If you are having a particular goal, like it is on track, it is a milestone activity, or it's related to a risk or anything, whatever you want to select, accordingly the icons also changes. See the color, everything. So it's a kind of a agile chart. So if you want to assign to someone, you can able to do that in this template. Then this is a dark theme. Then this is something different colored themes and all they have used in this agile Gantt chart. Now we will move on to the next Gantt chart. So similarly, this is a date tracker Gantt chart. Here in the first sheet, they have explained about the chart. Here, whatever the data you want to fill, you can able to fill it here. This is completely the chart data, whatever. The output is basically will be shown here. So here, the data and the Gantt chart are in a separate file. So now we have shown you 3 different Gantt chart templates. There are 3 more are there. I think you can able to see that of your own because anyone can access in Excel. So probably this is the end of the video. So give a thumbs up to our video and subscribe our channel, give comments. If you have any queries, you post it in the comment section and please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.